Hello traders, are you ready for a new trading week? If so, stick around till the end to find out the latest market updates and analysis. So let's dive into the DXY to make a better understanding on the major pairs and to create an idea on the direction that we would expect the price to head in the coming week. And if you remember, we did a midweek analysis on Wednesday in which we were expecting DXY to correct around this area, having a possibility to drop towards this level before pushing back up. For me to be confident in an up move, I would like to see this area taken out like we said on Wednesday, and this could happen next week. I don't know if it will be in the beginning of the week or not, but until the price breaks this level here, I won't encourage you guys to buy it because anything can happen. It can push back down before pushing back up again. It can also take out this low here and create a new lower low. We have a lot of liquidity sitting here as a fair value gap area. So best way to approach things here is to wait for the price to give you a breakout, then a pullback, and then one more push towards the upside. Somewhere around here you should get your trade. If that happens, the price will definitely take out the previous top and create a new higher high here. So that means that the rest of the majors, if the DXY goes up, EURUSD, Pound USD will go down, Australian USD, New Zealand USD as well. So let's have a look at EURUSD. For EURUSD, we were expecting last week the consolidation to continue before a last push towards the upside at least. So the way things are looking, the price here, as you can see, we had this impulse. We broke this level here, this area, broke the previous lower high. Then the price came back up, filled this fair gap area here, and now the price started to correct here because we had loads of liquidity. This acts as a resistance as we speak. So what you should be focusing right now is to wait for this consolidation to finish at some point. This might continue to move a bit messy in here before pushing back up, take out this top, and then we'll see if we get a reaction towards the downside, or if the price action moves sideways here, then most likely the price will continue to go up. So this is the forecast for EURUSD, and this means that the dollar should drop a bit, which we didn't exclude. So for me to change my opinion on EURUSD, I would like to see a sharp wave down, followed by a consolidation, and this would be the continuation for a new lower low. Here we have an equal low area, but this could be taken out as well from a higher level. Like I was saying, the price could bounce back up from this correction and then start to drop and take out this equal lows and resume the downtrend. Okay, so that's why I was saying that the XY could drop one more time, fill that fair value gap area that I was talking about, which means that if the price decides here on the DXY to drop, EURUSD will move one more time towards the upside, like I was saying. And if we get a bullish reaction from here, followed by consolidation, then the price will move back up for DXY, which means that EURUSD will follow, but in the opposite direction. So we were here, then reaction towards the downside, consolidation, move back down to take out this previous low, and also take out this equal lows that we have here, okay? Pound USD, for Pound USD, the price is moving sideways from the beginning of the year. We had this higher high here, which started a consolidation, a sideways move, the price dropped, and now if you can see here a pretty big similarity between these two consolidations, this one and this one as well. We had a drop here, then we had this consolidation, then another drop, and right now we are in this phase here, which means that the price could continue to correct here, do something messy. We have some liquidity above to be collected before pushing back down and take out this equal lows here and also create a new lower low. So this is a pretty common pattern. It's developing into a triple tree as we speak. So next move here for Pound USD, if things move as expected, wait for the price to finish this consolidation. One more push back up. We have some liquidity here. Let me drag this level here a bit to the right. And like I was saying, when the price reaches this level here, we might drop, take out these equal lows. It's not excluded to drop from here, but I would like to see the price push back up because we don't have any setup as we speak right now. You can see the price is moving pretty messy, very hard to trade inside these moves. So wait for this scenario to unfold. Dollar yen, this one as well, we were expecting this consolidation midweek to finish, either to continue to push back up in a slow and messy manner, take out the daily top here, or like we were saying, the best case scenario for us would be that the price will give us a similar wave down like it did here. So we have this push back down, followed by this consolidation, another push back down, and now the price it's at a critical area here, which means that short term it could be pushing back up, take out this previous daily top, and this could be a good possibility because this could be enough for a correction here for the price to push back up, or it could stay a bit longer in here. This could drop because as you can see we have some price resistance here, so the price might develop into a complex pattern here, drop one more time before pushing back up again. Okay, so wait for these two possibilities. The way this candle is closing right now, I don't see a good scenario for the beginning of the week, which means that probably we'll drop a bit more, take out this low, or develop into something messy here without breaking the low and push back up. So most likely we won't get any setup. If something happens, we will update you in the coming stream on Wednesday. So keep in mind these two possibilities: Australian dollar versus the US dollar. This one here is in the middle of everything. We had this wave up which filled this fair value gap area, then the price started to drop, and the way the price action is looking right now, this could continue to go up in a messy manner, take out this top, or if you consider this a consolidation for this previous wave down, this could drop and take out this low, hit this liquidity level, and then we'll update you. So things are pretty messy as we speak for Australian dollar versus the US dollar. I don't encourage you guys to trade it, but from an analysis perspective, keep in mind these two possibilities. New Zealand USD, this one here looks a bit better. We were expecting at some point this drop. We had as well two scenarios, one bullish and one bearish, and the way the price action is developing right now, we can see this pushing back down, taking out these lows, which means that the price will continue its way down. So in the coming week, wait for this consolidation to finish, one more push down, and then we'll update you. Dollar CAD, this one as well broke the previous top, and right now the price is consolidating here. Expect some small consolidation at the beginning of the week, and then another push towards the upside. Dollar Swiss franc, we were expecting the price to go back up, take out this top, but we would have preferred to see it going a bit down, reach this zone here, either the trend line for a push back up, either this liquidity level for another reaction towards the upside. But as you can see, the price here made a consolidation. This was enough, so the buyer stepped in, pushed the price back up, and now wait for a consolidation for one more move towards the upside. Pound yen, we were expecting this consolidation here for a week or so. Now the next move here is the price to continue to consolidate after this impulse and then push back up one more time. Gold, if you remember, we were saying to not buy gold until we break this level here, this yellow line. We had as a target for us to watch the price. So as you can see, we got a nice strong candle here. So next move for gold, expect here a consolidation. And if that happens, then don't hesitate to go with the buys, because this will definitely take out this previous top. We will create a new all-time high here. So you have to wait for this consolidation. Don't rush the trade, wait for something deep. Even if you don't get it from here, let's say if the price starts to make a flag push back up, at some point it will drop, it will drop, and it will give you an opportunity to get it for a better risk to reward. No need to buy this one and then get taken out when the price pulls back deeper, because they always pull back deep. Don't forget that. Look what happened here. So best way to approach things here is to be a bit patient and wait for the price to give you something deep. Hopefully it will give us something from here, and then it will push back up without looking back, take out this top. But sometimes things don't work like this. We have to have our eyes open for any possibility. So like I was saying, keep in mind this scenario. Silver as well, this one is a better risk to reward trade. I think the uptrend resumed on silver, even though I was saying to wait for this breakout here. Considering the fact that gold started an early push, I suggest to you guys that if you see here a consolidation, take a small trade, like risk-wise, don't risk big, like 0.2, 0.5 at the maximum of your account balance, and if this goes up, you'll be happy. If not, if you're the cautious type, which isn't bad, which I encourage you guys to be, wait for the price to take out this level here, wait for a pullback, and then go with the trade. This is the best approach to have. If you guys have itchy fingers and see a consolidation here, it's not wrong to trade this, but please use proper risk and don't go more than 0.2 or 0.5% of your account. Okay, the best confirmation for us is to wait for the price to break out of this line. We have to have patience here. So very important. This is something that you build over time, and if you decide to trade a move like this, then sometimes it could mess up your whole psychology. So it's not good, okay? But if you guys have the required experience, if you think you have it, go for it. But like I was saying, don't risk big. Personally, I want to trade it from here. I would like to see an extra confirmation. So I would wait for the price to take out this top, pull back, and then wait for my bullish reaction and take it from here whenever this pattern will unfold, okay? Oil push back up. We broke the first level that we had here on the chart. Next level to watch for oil is this area here. If we break past this level, then wait for a pullback, because this will definitely go up towards the $90 level first, and then medium to long term $100 level, okay? So the signs are good here. First bump on the road was taken out, which was this yellow line here. I'm gonna delete it for now. Good thing that we broke it. Now the second area of confirmation is this area. Wait for a breakout, pull back, and the bullish reaction towards the upside, followed by a consolidation. This is your trade. This is the pattern. Wait for it to unfold. Natural gas, this one is continuing to consolidate here. Next move in the coming week, I expect this one here to finish this small consolidation, push back up. If you decide to trade this, keep in mind that this is a hit and run, because this is a consolidation. So if you get here a buy setup and the price starts to go up, put your stops on break even take partial profits or close half of your position, doesn't matter, because this could be a messy structure. The price could come back down, hunt your stop loss, and then can continue its way up. So if this happens, I encourage you guys to either move your stops to break even, either take partial profits, and if the price comes back down, you'll get another entry and another chance to ride the wave up, okay? S&P 500, this one, as we expected, continued to go back up. So in the coming week, we expect here the price to make a consolidation and push back up again. We also have this trend line. If the price decides to go into a deeper pullback, then this is the area to watch for a reaction towards the upside. NASDAQ, this one is printing beautifully. We had this consolidation, and then the price started to move back up like we were expecting midweek. We broke this area at the top, the previous top. We have a new higher high here, and also a new all-time high, if I'm not wrong. So thanks to Nvidia and the big earnings report that they had. So next move for NASDAQ, consolidation, one more push up. Bitcoin, we all know what happened here. We were expecting the price here to finish this consolidation and then push back up. You can see this was a textbook consolidation. We had an impulse here, then a similar consolidation. The price continued to go back up. After this impulse, we had our recent consolidation here, and you see the price is going crazy right now. Next move for Bitcoin, wait for a consolidation, one more push up. We might take out the all-time high in the next wave, but for now, let's be a bit patient, see what happens, because the price could push back up, then spike down as a pullback, take out some orders before pushing back up. But in either case, I'm pretty bullish. We are close to a new all-time high. This should happen in the short term, so keep in mind these possibilities, okay? Ether, similar. This one took out all the levels that we predicted. We had this consolidation here. We had another pullback that we expected the price to breach and take it out. Then the price consolidated here, and now it spiked up. And similar to Bitcoin, I'm expecting here a consolidation, one more push towards the upside. I think this is just the start for the cryptos. So if you guys didn't got into any trades, that's not a problem, because at some point all of them will spike down for a consolidation or a pullback before pushing back up, okay? So don't FOMO on the cryptos or on anything else. Be patient, wait for your patterns to unfold, wait for the trade to give you the best setup, or at least let it be a 3 or 4 out of 5 before taking it, okay? So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel. And if you have any other pairs that you'd like us to cover in the future streams, hit the comment section below, leave us your pair, and we'll analyze it for you guys exclusively in our next stream. And speaking of which, our next stream would be on Wednesday. We'll have a midweek analysis session in which we'll go through all the charts that we analyzed today. So don't forget, click the notifications bell so you guys could be notified when the video drops. And until then, don't forget to trade with care, and I wish you guys a happy trading week ahead.